So Cohen figured out that when he kicks this, it makes his toys jiggle, so it's more fun. Oh, buddy. Just kidding, but he's kicking this thing like crazy. Good job holding your toys. Here, we can take this off. Got a new shirt on. You want to say something? Can you say hi? Hi! Oh! Good job! Oh, did you want that, Pinky? I'm sorry. There we go. Yeah. Kick, kick, kick. Good job. What's going on? You having fun? Goodbye.